Alright, so this is a video about differentials in the Backlash. This is a dial indicator gauge with a magnetic base. They're fairly cheap, you just have to go out and buy them. You'll use them multiple times. Won't use them a lot, but they're a lifesaver and also cheap insurance. So differentials, they're supposed to have backlash on this ring gear to the actual drive shaft stub. So what you do is you set your dial indicator up and you make sure your differential's down on its gear. And then this is the hard part. It's very small and minute. If you look here, close to 0, so we're at 3 marks down. Look at that. Looks like we got 16 on the top. So that is a good diff with good backlash, because our difference is about 13 and spec is between, I believe, 14 and 8. So your differential will have different, look at this, very minute on the gear backlash. This is why you need a dial indicator gauge, because you will not be able to know if it's actually in spec or not simply by feel. Cheap insurance. Make sure you do this whenever you're servicing your differential or have an older car, and a lot of trucks need this as well. So you guys go out and do this and make sure you're staying safe.